Welcome to GSM Favor YouTube channel.
This is my Itel Vision 1 Plus model Android smartphone. Unfortunately, I forgot my phone pattern lock. Then I unlocked the phone through a hard reset. But now, when I go to set up the phone, I don't remember the previous password or the previously logged email ID, which I don't remember. Your device was factory reset. You can unlock it using your previous password. I don't know previous password. Verifying your account with your Google account. This device was reset. To continue, sign in with a Google account that was previously synced on this device. I will now click the back button to go to the welcome screen. Now I will now click on the emergency call option. Touch emergency information. Click edit information. Click to add contacts. Allow. Again click add contact and add a contact number. Click contact icon. Click massage send icon. Type youtube.com and click send message button. Click YouTube link. Now open Chrome browser.
Type gsmfavor.com in the address bar. Enter GSM Favor website.
Click on the menu and go to the FRP Bypass apps page. Click Open said lock screen. Set a new password or pattern lock. Set up security question. Pattern lock set is complete. My phone is now fully unlocked. Now go back to the welcome screen. Set up your phone. Unlock the phone with the set pattern lock.
Stay tuned by subscribing to our GSM Favor YouTube channel for tutorial tips and tricks to unlock more new smartphones like this. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe GSM Favor for more.